the 27th of November. Hi, my name is Luke.
And moi ātaro, Winton School. I'm Justin. Welcome to N.E.W.S. News.
We start today with Winton's Got Talent news. Tonight's the night.
Everyone needs to be in the hall by 6:30. Contestants, you need to be in the hall by 6:15. Ka pai.
Te Kupu o te Wiki. This week's word is Paremata, which is to Rio for Parliament.
Paremata. Kia ora.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices you know we're down here.
Okay, it's great seeing so many students with their Hi Viz vests on.
Most students are wearing them to school. Remember to wear them home too.
And a reminder this term, always wear your sunhats at playtime and lunchtime.
Anyone not wearing them, their hat will stay in the shade in the junior lunch area. Thank you.
A popo is rameri and the sausage sizzle is back, so bring your money.
Slurpees are back on sale. Bring your gold coins, 2 per person.
Health and safety news. Can all ice packs please be returned to the office? We need them all back. Thank you.
Touch news. A reminder for all year 1 and 2 touch teams. Your practices are back on.
Can the year 5 and 6 Winton Stags please meet their coaches at 12:45 today for a practice?
Winton Bears, you have a practice today with Krista and Emma. Your training days are now Thursday.
The Winton Cougars touch practice every Thursday. Meet Carl and Luke at the crossing. Thank you.
World Cup cricket news. The ICC World Cup trophy will be in the hall at lunchtime. Get into the hall and have your photo taken with the top prize in world cricket.
Year 8 news. All year 8 students to miss mines at playtime, straight after swimming. Take your morning tea. Thank you.
A big day yesterday for Miss Squires. Aroha Mai. We forgot to mention your happy birthday.
Ra whānau ki koe ra whaera.
Okay, that's us for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Good luck to all the students in tonight's big show. Haere rā, Winton School.